From all of us at the College of Public Health and Human Sciences at Oregon State University, thank you. Our YouTube channel recently surpassed 1,000 subscribers, all thanks to you. Whether you found us by researching a potential college major or by watching one of our expert faculty members present on their research, we're glad you're here and are grateful for your support. Throughout the past 18 months, public health has been at the forefront of our daily lives, a change for a discipline used to working behind the scenes. We've seen the impact of societal change and issues affect our routines, relationships, and development across the lifespan. So, we want to take this moment and also extend our gratitude to the public health and human science professionals who are out there, making a difference across the world. We wouldn't be here without you, and we're extremely appreciative of the work you do to make our world a healthier place. Thank you.